All right, so once again, I'm going to view the course as a student. We'll do L today, if it'll click her name. All right, so let's scroll down to week 2. It's Friday, 9/11. So in order to honor September the 11th, 2001, I'm going to ask that you read this poem. You can click on the link. I'll read it to you, and then you'll go and do the discussion. Ground Zero. From ground zero, I can see a city of people in misery, a misery that has caused hearts to ache all over. Everyone is lending a hand or a shoulder. Lives were lost in a blink of an eye, not having a clue they were about to die. People coming from far and wide with feelings and emotions they cannot hide. Rescue workers working night and day, hoping for a miracle to come their way. Lives destroyed by terrorists and 2 planes by noon. Our hearts bleed for the people that have left us too soon. This tragedy has touched our hearts, which have sighed a million tears our nation has cried. Now, stronger than ever our country will be. I'm proud to be an American, and you should be too, living in the country of red, white, and blue. This was written by Chelsea Griswold. She was an 8th grader in 2001, 13 years old, and she went to Haddam Killingworth Middle School. So this was written right after it from a point of view of an 8th grader during that time. So, not much younger than what you are now. So when you go through with this poem, you can go back to it again later. I want you to think about the figurative language that she uses. I want you to think about the imagery that she uses, how she puts you there in that moment. After that, you're going to do the poem discussion and find the figurative language in the song lyrics.